friend, now it's time to optimize your content. If you have it written elsewhere, you can easily copy and paste it in here. Or if the content is already on the page, you can use the option from the editor menu. You click on the three dots in the upper right corner, choose the auto import article text, then copy the URL, then paste it in here. Moving to optimization. On the right hand side, you can see suggested terms in headings and in article. Let's go back to headings. Now, the percentage next to the term tells you how often this term was used in the articles of your selected competitors. Try to include the recommended terms in your headings. See if you can add or replace any word for the recommended one. For example, here we can see that we can add 2024 to our title. Awesome. Repeat this process heading by heading. Moving to terms in article, we have the basic terms. They are the main terms that most of your competitors have used and are very relevant to the topic you're writing about. Below, you have some extended terms. Those are additional terms that will level up the expertise of your content. When you manually optimize your text, you try to naturally include the terms from the sidebar to your text. Use the common sense here. Be smart about this and don't force the words in text because later on someone will read your content, so you want to make sure that it will be engaging and easy to read and understand. Now, when improving your content, it is important to use recommended words in the right amount. Using them too much can result in over-optimization, and using them too little means that you are not getting the most out of the optimization. As you can see here, the terms are highlighted in different colors. Color informs you how well the term is optimized. Use the filter here to focus on specific group and see all of them or only not used ones. Consider using more in suggested range, slightly above range, and consider using less. For example, we want to focus only on terms that have been overused in text. Now, to find that particular term in the content, click on it and select highlight term in text. Now you can see where they are in text. You might consider deleting them or replacing them with synonyms. Let's say you want to replace them with synonyms and you want NEURONwriter to give you some suggestions of synonyms that you can use. You click on the term and select Show Synonyms. Here are the suggested synonyms. Now let's disable this highlight. You can also focus on the unused terms. You can copy them to clipboard and, for example, tell AI to include them when writing content for you. That's simple. Remember that you can use the highlight option to see recommended terms. It can be found above the writing section in here. Now you can see all of the recommended terms across the whole text. It makes optimization so much easier. Remember that you can disable the highlight clicking on the icon next to it. Now let me show you the optimization features you can use to save time and optimize your content fast. One of them is our wonderful auto insert. So for example, instead of optimizing your content term by term, you click on it and NEURONwriter will analyze the text and suggest where you could insert and use recommended terms to improve your content score. Here are the suggestions. Review them and accept the ones you like. For example, here is the old sentence. You can see it in text as well. This is the one you have in text. And below you have improved sentence. Read it, check facts, and accept it. As you can see, the old sentence will be automatically replaced by the improved one. Let's see another one, for example this one, and accept. Perfect. Another quick optimization is to use FAQs with unused terms. You can find them in AI advanced templates. I've already explained them in the video about AI writing. You can check it out. So I'm moving to the last tip. That is, if you have optimized some parts of the content and you want to know what else you can do to improve it, check out the checklist clicking on the content score. Here you can see the areas that you can still improve, like for example, you can still improve on a main headings and basic and extended terms in text. Lastly, remember that these are just tools and you are the boss here. You decide what you want in your content. NeuroNwriter only makes sure you have everything you need at your fingertips, so writing your best content is easy, simple, and enjoyable for you. Try them out and see which ones works best for you. That's all.